brings the blood flow to the area, so it kind of warms it up after a few minutes, and it gives you a nice sensation where it just relaxes the muscles and everything.
Relax ka lang, ha? Okay. Relax lang. Relax lang. Relax.
Oh!
Oh, wow. Yun. Yan.
Let's see what I got.
Relax lang. Relax na, Shirley. Okay. Hindi ka sa kaliwa, Shirley. Okay, relax ka lang, Shirley, ha? Okay. Relax mo lang. Okay.
Oh!
Ayun. Very nice.
Oh, wow.
Side and on this side. Massage your head. Pull it tiny bit. And there you go. Nice. Going to angle it a tiny bit. Pull and yes, sir. Wow.
It's been 4 months, is it? Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to bring you over a bit, mate. You won't fall. Get a little bit of pressure on this. Excellent. That was really good.
Whatever. Show off.
Forward at angles. Yep, scoot up in there.
There?
Uh-huh. Perfect. You crack addicts love Renee's adjustments. Okay. So now, fine. Perfect. Crack addicts just love Renee.
Relax. Wow. Wow. It's the spot, huh? There you go. Relax. It's the spot. Right there. Yes.
No side of Philly, my side of town. Bulletproof whip when I ride around. Bulletproof whip when I ride around. Niggas touch it when I'm not around.